If you've ever looked at one of your abstract paintings and thought something isn't working, but you couldn't explain why, this video is for you. The problem probably isn't your creativity. It's something every abstract artist has to learn to see. But before we get into it, hi, I'm Fifi, an abstract painter, and here I share my painting process and the way I think through colors and layers. One of the hardest things about abstract painting is knowing why a painting works or why it doesn't. Sometimes you keep adding color, hoping it'll come alive. Then you try more texture, then you repaint a whole section. But when you step back, it still doesn't feel finished. You know something missing, but you can't quite identify it. That feeling is something almost every abstract artist experiences. The problem usually isn't that you're not creative. It's more often because you're trying to fix a design problem without really knowing what's causing it. So you start guessing, then adding more colors, changing texture, or even repainting a whole section. But because you don't know what's actually wrong, nothing really solves the problem. So when that happens, stop, take a step back and learn to read your painting. Look at the value, look at the contrast, look at how the colors work together. Look also at the overall composition. Learn the fundamentals. Abstract painting isn't about ignoring the fundamentals. It's built on the same principles as every other kind of painting. The difference is that instead of using those principles to paint a recognizable object, you're using them to create balance, movement, contrast, and visual interest. So before you spend all your time searching for your own style, spend some time building your foundation. Learn value, composition, learn shape design, learn how colors work together. Because the stronger your understanding of the fundamentals, the more confidence your decision become. And the stronger your decisions become, the stronger your abstract painting will be.